calibration cycle for a dehumidification. Okay. This is my test room, my cabin. This now modified space. Uh, this is the Arduino board, which is having a 5 watt capacity, which is available in the market, and this its program is also available. We are just trying to modify it in place of the sensor position, giving the different temperature and humidity in a different place. So whatever the outcome we required, with types of graph we required, that is to be plotted, and data is to be saved in the computer. The DST22 sensor, which is having a range of -40 to 125 degrees centigrade, and relative humidity is 0 to 100%, which consume the 3 to 6 volt range, right? So, which is having a microcontroller, which 80 a mega 328p types of microcontroller is used to for the uh, to operate this Arduino board. So there are a total 13 LED built up is there, and total there are a 14 to 16 pin is sorry 13 LED built up is there. Uh, so this is the just one type of data logger I prepared with the combination of the CPU board and this Arduino and the sensors. Over here, this is the computer one working as a one data logger. Oh, in the one left hand side, there is a cooling air outlet section fan. This is the cooling air outlet fan. Arduino board. The software I have installed in it is freely available uh, online, and that is to be given accurate accuracy is 0.2%. Minimum matlab 99.7% it is the accurate result I obtained from the Arduino. The data I have collected during the first one trial performance is the data will be reflecting up to after 5 seconds. Every 5 seconds I got the result, and that is the desiccant inlet temperature. Suppose initially, if you can see that when start the setup, the desiccant inlet temperature, because of the cold weather early morning, I have to take on this result. So 26.90 degree centigrade, 40% RH, desiccant outlet temperature 28 degree centigrade, 39.10 RH. Similarly, enthalpy wheel outlet is again 26, 40% RH. Enthalpy wheel regeneration air inlet, there is again if 26.20. Initially, just the data start this the reading with this. If you can see in the third reading there is a desiccant inlet temperature is 26.80, 39% RH. Desiccant outlet 28.50, 39% RH. Enthalpy wheel outlet 26.60 degree centigrade and 41 RH. Enthalpy wheel regeneration section there is a 26 degree and 41% RH. Enthalpy wheel air desiccant wheel inlet means there is a after the regeneration air will be got in, so temperature is gets increased 41 degree centigrade now, and the humidity because of the temperature increase the 20.20% RH. And similarly regeneration air desiccant wheel outlet, if you can see there is a 30 degree centigrade and 34% RH, that is to be exhausted. Means our performance and the room inlet temperature I got there is a, it is not completely closed with the suction fan, it is need to mounting, but there is a 27 degree centigrade temperature and 40% RH, because there are 4 people was there, and it is initially up to 5 seconds the temperature was coming, then after 1 hour it is the temperature result was different. So I picked the photographs from there. It is to be displayed like this. And this is the primary result I got after the evaluation with the changing the